YouTube? Cooper's Automotive. We have a 2012 GMC Terrain 2.4 liter. Customer complaint was a stalling issue, and the code is a P0010 camshaft actuator intake side solenoid. Customer took it to one of our famous scan parts houses. They sold her a camshaft position sensor, which is a possibility but not a likelihood from my experience. So basically you connect your Diagnose scan tool to it, and you go into functional test, and you command the actuator on and listen for a engine fluctuation. Your timing, because the computer does a, what do they call it, pulse width modulated 12 volt signal. Computer grounds the signal, keeps it grounded, but it controls it through the voltage side and controls your timing on your intake and then your exhaust side cam phasers inside there. So I've done that. I don't have change, so we're going to put an intake solenoid in this car, show you how we do that. And well, also one thing you want to verify too is that you got the right viscosity oil and the right amount of oil, because that can also cause a problem with these. So let's begin and have some fun. All right, so first thing you're going to take off is your oil cap and pull this cover off right here. Get it out of your way. Second thing you're going to do is an 8mm clamp down on the throttle body and an 8mm clamp here, and pull this out of your way. A little vacuum hose to the side. All right, the next thing you'll find is the intake side is obviously on the intake side right here. Could you test this with 12 volts and ground in a, yeah, you could. So if you don't want to test it through your scan tool, do it manual. And you can see that it's not actuating or working correctly or sticking. So 10mm right there. And you're going to pull up on that. Or pry up on it. We're not saving it, so we're not worried about it. It's right out of there. That's what it looks like. All right, sorry about that. So we got the sensor out, or the solenoid out, looks like that. Slide the new one down inside there, 10mm. You're going to tighten it up right here. Just tight. Plug it back in. So if you want to retest it, obviously you're going to go on your computer after you clear the code, actuate it, and listen for a timing variation, or you're going to do it manually. Some people like to change both. There's your exhaust side, but not me. I'm going to change the one that's broken for right now. So there you are for a P0010. The intake cam actuator solenoid replacement. So we got a fix here. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful.